Yo, what's up? It's your boy Steve, and this is the review of the Leatherman Tread. How to remove the threads from the Leatherman Tread. It's the matte black version. Here, when you buy it, it's going to be big. So we have to remove two threads from this part. Here, as you can see, we file that to a side. Let's remove the threads. Let's see which one we don't want. So they are going to be this one. My favorite Leatherman. The Leatherman Skeleton. This is the Skeleton, my favorite tool of Leatherman. I am a Leatherman fanboy. So I have a lot of Leathermans running around. We are removing the threads. Here it's pretty easy. Don't lose these, because if you lose them, you are it's not that hard to remove it. As you can see, it's pretty easy. And all we need is just two threads to remove two threads. It's pretty easy to remove. As you can see, we already moved one. This is the one that we removed. We can see the other one, which is it, that we don't want. And let's see. It's going to be this one, I think, because this one I don't use it that much. So this one I don't use it that much. So we're gonna remove that part. Again, see where you're going to put your screws, because if you lose them, you are screwed. Like the screws. I'm gonna file that to a side, because we are going to attach it again with the thread. We are just removing the threads that I don't use normally on daily basis. Let's put that to a side. So now I have to remove these two here. As you can see, we have to remove these two here. So then we can attach it with the thread. There's like 20 tools, 29 tools And this one, it says it's right here, it's 29 toes. The tread is ready for everything. It's supposed to be airport approval too, but only in I think only in USA. I don't know here in Malta if that's. I have to go to check and let you know this week. This one I bought it from Forest Halls for like 200 euros. I removed the wrong one. No, I have to remove the fourth. I have to remove actually all of them. To attach them. We're going to see here. So I removed those two that I don't use much or very often. I'm gonna attach them together now, again. We're gonna put it together. Screw it back in. You are nearly done. Almost finished. Screw that tight. We tighten that screw. And we tighten it back with this one. We're gonna attach them together. Like this. And you know, people say it's heavy. It's not, my boys. It's not. I almost wear it 24/7 a day. I only remove it just to take a shower or to wash the dishes and then slap it on back. I sleep with it. I do everything with it. It's not heavy, my boys. Once you get used to it, even if you don't get used to it, it's not heavy. That's not heavy. So you can see we can screw them a bit, we can tie them a bit. Now to make sure We can do them all a bit, because maybe, you know, this is like the sim ejection tool. You have the sim ejection tool here too. This is the sim ejection tool and the seat belt cutter. Too, it's a nice thing to have. You have a glass breaker here. As you can see, the glass breaker is very useful to have everything. So we're gonna slap it in, as you can see. And it stays right there. So this is it, guys. Your boy Steve, out.